Opening the terminal for the first time was very scary. I don't have a technical background at all. I am a lawyer by trade. The initial idea of the innovation marketplace was a centralized place for the operations team to see all of the tools that were being developed. It was something that I was thinking of. And I thought, maybe I could get help from an engineer. But by the time you get to that, the idea's gone. When CLI came out, I just thought, I can do this myself. So I told it my vision and then worked through with CLI in the same way that I would a developer. And we have this tool now. I use the plan mode to see what it thinks. I then challenge what the CLI has come back with. I will ask it if there's any other way, what my options are. Once I have the plan, I ask it to walk me through how it will deploy, to explain it in a way that a non-dev would understand. If somebody wants to register their project, they go to a GitHub issue. They then submit an action, then pushes, and the innovation marketplace is hosted on GitHub Pages. So we really do use GitHub for everything. I love that I'm continuously learning as I'm using this tool. Software used to be developed and deployed, and people would have to shift their processes to match the software. With Copilot CLI, the software can match your specific requirements, which is just a huge unlock for not just legal teams, all teams. I'm Victoria. I'm an operations manager on the GitHub legal team, and now I'm a web developer.